How you doing, folks? Andrew here. Top Fitness Strategies. I am the face who runs the place. All right. Today we're going to talk a little bit about mindset. That's right, mindset. I know it's kind of, some people think it's woo-woo kind of stuff out there, but when you look at it the way I think it needs to be looked at, especially in the world of the health and fitness world, the world of the health and fitness world, well, you know what I'm talking about. If you do it and you focus on it more, it's going to really help you out. And here's what I'm talking about. And now, before we get into everything, thanks for being here. This is Top Fitness Strategies. Like I said, my name is Andrew. Top Fitness Strategies is all about the fitness over 50. Look better, feel better, gain some confidence. That's what we're all about. That's what I'm here to talk to you about. I do these video podcasts and audio podcasts, of course. And whatever platform you are watching and or listening to this on, thank you. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share this, do all that good stuff. Okay? So, mindset up here in your head, it has so much to do with your health and fitness. It is probably more important. You can have an argument that it's more important than everything else. Most people want to focus on the working out part, the building the muscle, the doing the cardio, the working on the abs, doing all that stuff, and then it seems like, and this is all what's out there, how it all seems like it's all being done. When people want to promote stuff or tell you about stuff, they first talk about the workouts, then the nutrition part of it. You have to eat healthy for the workouts to work, so to speak. Yeah, I 100% agree with that. The workouts will be a lot more effective on changing your body, the way your body looks, if you have the proper nutrition, right? Okay. Now, the third element in all this is your mind, is what you think about or the attitude you have. I mean, you can call it mindset, you can call it attitude, you can call it positive mental stuff, you can call it whatever you want to. When it boils down to it, it's how you perceive everything, how you focus on stuff, and what you think about. If you are out of shape, for instance, and you have the mindset of, you know what, I don't think I could ever get in any kind of shape, but I'm just going to go through the motions. Guess what? It ain't going to happen for you. Yeah, you might change a little bit here and there, but to get the results you're looking for, it's not going to happen because your mind isn't right. You're telling yourself already, and this is a lot of stuff that I've studied behind the scenes, and I really enjoy this kind of stuff, the mental stuff, the mindset stuff, if you will. If you start telling yourself that you're never going to change or you're never going to be the way you were, blah, 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 guess what? It ain't going to happen. It's not going to happen for you. I shouldn't use the word ain't, but I did. It's, or at least it'll be a lot more difficult for you to get to where you want to go. You need to, okay, I don't want to say you need to because we're all adults. You do what you want to do. I suggest you focus more on telling yourself how good it is and how positive it is that you can do it. That once you're lifting that weight, once you're walking on that treadmill, once you're cooking that meal, whatever, this is positive. This is what I need to help my body get to where I want it to go. That's the kind of stuff you need to say. You want to focus. I mean, you at least for me, when I work out, I want to feel that sweat coming down my face. I think that's a cool thing. And my focus in a workout is not so much what grow my muscles. My focus is I want to see the sweat coming down because that tells me I'm doing something very good for my body. At least that's how I perceive it. Whether you perceive it that way or not, I don't know. But that's what you need to focus on. Telling yourself what you're doing is good for you, no matter how much, and I don't want to say you don't enjoy it, but no matter how different or off the norm that you're doing, and your body's saying, oh, wait a second, I don't know if I want to do this or not. Let's back up a second. Your mind's got to take over and say, yeah, this is what you got to do, and you enjoy it. Always tell yourself you're enjoying it. Whether you do or not, it's irrelevant. Tell yourself you're enjoying the process. You're enjoying what you're doing. Eventually, that mind is going to overpower overpower any kind of, that positive mind is going to overpower any kind of negative stuff you have going on there. Same with nutrition. If you want to eat salads all day long, I don't recommend it, but yeah, go for it. Not everybody's going to like the salads, but if you start telling yourself, hey, you know, this healthy stuff is delicious. I love eating this. It's fantastic. Man, I can't wait to do this. It's going to be a lot better for you in the long run. And I know I'm condensing a whole bunch of psychology. Okay, I'm combining a whole bunch of that into a 5-minute segment, a 5-minute podcast here. But I'm telling you, change the attitude when you're working out. Change the attitude towards your overall health and fitness, and you'll be surprised. But tell yourself, give yourself a card and say, man, I can't wait to work out every day. I can't wait to hit the gym. I can't wait to do my workout. Read it to yourself out loud 5 or 6 times a day. What's it going to hurt? You start telling yourself that. Say, I can see my body changing. You know, or even want to get even more in depth. Say, why can I see my body changing toward the good? Why are my workouts really helping me improve my health and fitness? Write that on the card and start telling yourself that. Yeah, I know it might seem kind of woo-woo out there stuff, but hey, you know, that every little bit helps. Every little bit helps. And believe me, the more you can focus on the positive in your life, the better your life is going to be. It's just that simple. We can get a lot more in depth with that later on. And I don't know why that was on my mind to tell you guys that, but I wanted to get it out there, and that's what's going to be this week. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Does it make sense what I'm telling you here? Let me know. Once again, whatever platform you're watching and or listening to this on, say it in the comments. And check out the show notes, because I might refer to a few things in the show notes as well. You know, we can talk about positive mental attitude all day long, but I'm going to stop it here. Appreciate y'all being here. Hey, check it out over on that side. The sponsor for today is Health and Fitness 101. Q&A, simple answers to complex questions. It's a book I wrote. Check out the link. You'll understand all about it. Okay, I'll stop it here. Thanks for being here. My name is Andrew. I am the face who runs the place here at Top Fitness Strategies. So until next time, ciao.